Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your legs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center, transitioning into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral stretch variation. Reach your left hand to your right leg and your right arm up and over to the left, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Slowly release and keep your left hand to your right leg, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. With your right hand to your left leg, reach your left arm up and over to the right, keeping your top shoulder open to the sky, lengthening through your left side body. Lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Maintain your right hand to your left leg. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support. Slowly unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.